So this is like 3 videos ahead of what needs to come out right now. But anyways, the R33 is leaking some coolant on the radiator, so looks like it's gonna get a radiator pretty soon. But we're gonna put a test pipe on it today, so Jennifer's got to do all of it. She'll get it done. She's a master technician, so I believe in her. Look at that. Can't really see, but man, it's starting to seep. Kevin sold me a faulty vehicle I want to buy back. Alright, you're gonna do a blindfolded bird box. So anyways, we're gonna raise it up and get to work on it. So blah 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 blah. Actually, you know, I probably will use this. Right here.
Hey.
Okay, so anyways, this is the Skyline under it. It's a real clean car. It's got some Jasma exhaust on it, 5 Zygen or Ziggin or something like that. It's actually a pretty nice exhaust. I really do like it. It's not super loud, but I am looking for a little more. That's why I'm going to put the resonator on it. I mean, not the resonator, the test pipe to take off the cat. Anyways, whenever we open the hood, finally saw, I guess, that the radiator's leaking, so that sucks. So it's starting to drip on the floor, which I guess is typical. It's old. Something that a lot of people run into is you buy an old car like this and then you get all butthurt and bent out of shape when it breaks, but you have to remember that you just bought something that's already a quarter of a century. I mean, it's old, so it's not new. If you want a new car, go buy a new car. So anyways, we'll probably be doing an aluminum radiator on it. Watch out before it drips on you. It's still on the factory, little adorable intercooler right here, so we will have to do a front mount intercooler and stuff on it as well. It's already got the N1 ducts with the GTR bumper, as well as like I think the side skirts. Sitting on inky RPF 1s, stock brakes. Everything else is pretty much stock, but we're gonna end up going big single turbo and some higher horsepower with it. But for right now, until at least we get back from Japan in a couple weeks, it's just gonna kind of be like it is. I'm just gonna make it a tiny bit louder by deleting the cat. But overall, this car is really nice. There's like no rust. The frame rails are in perfect condition. The pinch welds where the lift goes are mint as well. There's no rust on the quarter panels. The car is super duper clean. Definitely a great platform to start off with what we're gonna be doing. I have a backup engine and trans for it. Anyways, it's not supposed to be a real introduction, just kind of like a little brief thing for the car. So let's put this thing on.
So I have my assistant here taking out the bolts for me, because you know, being a master tech, I shouldn't be doing all this hard work.
I'm basically the apprentice.
Yeah, he's learning for me. I am the reason for cars.
Yeah, she basically is the reason they exist in the first place. So we need to get these really rusty bolts off. I'm not really looking forward to that. Told Jennifer that this would be a fast deal. Honey, that's if those don't break off. If they break off, it's gonna suck.
I want ice cream.
Ice cream. So this exhaust temp probe, hit or miss. That may come out. If not, it doesn't. I mean, it is what it is. I'm just gonna cut it. But I will do my very best to take that off. But if not, it's whatever. And I'll just zip tie it to something. So I guess that's what's next. Try to get that damn thing off.
Booty shot.
Rusty. It's just going to continue to round off probably. Yeah, it's too rusty. So I don't even have a pair of vice grips with me.
What kind of master tech does not have that?
I don't have them with me, I'm sorry.
Wow.
Took them all.
I should have brought my
I haven't
toolbox.
brought them back. I got this tiny little pair that probably won't do anything. I know everybody automatically doesn't like the videos because I'm using a lift to work on my car. But it is what it is. Yeah, this is not gonna work out. So probably just gonna cut that off. So gonna be kind of just how it is. I cut it. It is what it is. I'm gonna shove that kind of up in there and just act like that never happened. So now we're gonna see if the bolts for the cat the cat will come off. You know, if this thing had a dog instead of a cat, it'd probably be fine. Yeah, God. What is wrong with that? Look at that. Some rusty ass bolts. That's why you use impacts. Makes your life much easier. But we must socket back. I'll get it off on the vise. There's that. Watch out. Cats are very hot. Well, I don't have any real hope now that this is going to make this any louder at all. Because it looks like time has already done the trick of hollowing that one out. So this probably doesn't do much at all. So either time did that, or either time did that, or just the fact that somebody took that one off and hollowed it out. That's possible. I would probably go with that. Somebody probably knew what they were doing. This video could also work as a how to install a test pipe on a 240 because it's the same exact thing. I don't know what to do with that other bolt. Don't be like TJ. Found it. Didn't straddle too far away. This is actually a homie's test pipe. It's not even mine. Mine is at my house, my other one on exhaust, and I didn't have any tools to get it off. So I just told him I was going to borrow his and then get mine whenever I take tools to my house again. God! Oh no! They got me good.
Let's see. Did you burn yourself? It's not focusing.
No, it just got me though really good. Oh my God!
I won't focus and you keep moving. It's not focusing, friend. Wow.
Oh.
Rip your skin off? Oh, because of the thingy?
Nut pinched it.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Worst one of those I've ever got. It's on. Yeah. Here, we gotta go first aid it.
Alright, this is my favorite part of the day.
You gotta roll the sleeves up. Sometimes you see the big boy pants on. I come in here. I need a bandage. I need some broccoli. We got see the light. Oh man, did we get her good. Gotta make a montage. Gotta have the doctor inspect it. What do you think of it?
Let me look at.
There's a hole in my finger.
Now. You did it from the other hand.
Hold on.
Did you record?
It made it pink. Okay. Bandage me. Good job, honey.
Is this the way it goes?
This is why we have a we got a nurse on site. The camera can't even see you. It won't focus. Jennifer fixed me up. Thank you, honey.
Don't touch the blood because you have an STD.
Kiss it. Oh, bullshit. There is no STD here. Jennifer, I'm bleeding through the bandage.
Are you?
Yeah, Jennifer.
Oh shit.
Jennifer.
Ooh,
What do I do?
I have small fingers.
Yeah, but the best one is the fabric knuckle.
I don't know. I don't want these. It's cool. I like all this stuff.
Jennifer, I'm bleeding through. It's gonna be the end of my life here if we don't stop. Yeah, just double it up. Put it over it.
No, that's stupid.
No, it's not stupid because I'll bleed through that other one too. And then put some of those in your pocket and let's go. No, I need some now. I always hurt my right hand, but now I finally hurt the left hand.
This is stupid.
No, just put it over. It's fine. It's just to keep it from bleeding through right now. There you go. Now grab some extras and then we'll go start the car and then you can go ahead and just head to the ER with me. Just kidding. The knuckle, fabric knuckle. There's the 240. It was white before my finger touched it. Clean car. That car's on the channel, I think, already. Okay. All right, well, test pipe's on, and a piece of my skin is in there with the bolts, so we're good. Let's take this hollowed out cap that you know, is probably about as efficient as that test pipe I just put on. Look at that freaking four-wheel drive ride height. It's not gonna sound exactly like it sounds.
The other one was already hollowed out.
I know. It sounds pretty much just like it did. Yep. Well, it feels good to know that that did nothing. No different.
That did nothing?
I was gonna say no different.
That did different.
Great.
That did different.
Well, at least we found out that the car needs a radiator. Yeah. Which means I should go ahead. I'm not putting a radiator in until we get back probably. Put some coolant in it.
Because it leaks coolant.
Well, what happens when you try to have fun?
This is not fun.
You walk away with a broken radiator, a car that sounds the same, and your finger has a hole in it.
I was recording your chest, I'm sorry.
Why are you up in my face so much? You're a camera lady. This is what you're made to do. Act serious. Just kidding. More than enough because, well, because we got a damn leak.
You got a what?
Got a leak.
You got a what?
It's got a leak. It's got a leak.
It's got a leech.
Leaky leak. It's got a leech. It's got a dang leak.